Mr. Speaker, enhanced national security creates an enabling environment for businesses to thrive while aiding faster economic recovery. It is in this regard, I have proposed an allocation of 377.5 billion to support the operations of the National Police Service, Defense and National Intelligence Service and Prison Services. Mr. Speaker, the proposed allocations include Kenya shillings 173.1 billion for defense, 110.6 billion for National Police Service, 46.3 billion for the National Intelligence Service, and Kenya shillings 32.7 billion for prison services. I have proposed an allocation of 13.9 billion to cater for leasing police motor vehicles and the modernization program. Mr. Speaker, to step up the war on crime and embrace support to administration of justice, I have proposed Kenya shillings 918.4 million to equip the National Forensic Laboratory.